Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel, and today you find me in this beautiful marina blue M5 Competition with a whopping 617 horsepower. Right, let's talk some numbers on this car quickly. It's £105,775. It hasn't got very many options, if you're thinking that. It's got a comfort pack, so it gives you the ventilated seats, massage seats, keyless, and a few other things. But anyway, I don't want to talk about that. I want to get in the car, I want to go for a drive, and I want to tell you what it's about, because I've had this car for a few days and I think it's got too much power for the UK roads. So let's go. Right then, the BMW M5 Competition. So let's get something straight. BMW are no longer sending the standard M5 into the UK. They have stuck the engine in a M550i, slowed it down by 0.5 of a second, and said we're going to have an M5 competition by itself. So yeah. So where do we start? The M5 competition. So as I mentioned, no longer the standard M5, which I was lucky enough to drive last year, which I thought was a fantastic car. Enough power, more than enough power, 570 odd horsepower I think it was. Now I get my hands on this 617 bhp is a hell of a lot, especially in the UK. We don't have the luxury of like the German autobahns here. It's a comfortable car to a certain degree. However, in the time I've had it and the mileage I've done on it, and I've been up and down the country in this, so I had a few things to do. I'm not sure about it. Let's talk about. So I mentioned it's £105,000. It starts at 102, and then the rest are options. It's only a comfort pack. The wheels are standard, no cost. The metallic paint standard, no cost. Fine, but £100,000 is a lot of bloody money, especially in all the driving I did yesterday. You know, I didn't get over 70. You know, maybe a couple of times we managed to get over it, but you know, I'm stuck in traffic now. The start-stop just kicks in. Right, the BMW M5 Competition. So it starts at 102,000 with, I think it's just got the Comfort Plus pack on it. It takes it to 105,755. So the colour is probably my favourite colour from the range, marina blue. Seats are extremely comfortable. No doubt about it. Extremely comfortable on a smooth road that we don't have in the UK. So it's quick. It's extremely quick. It is four-wheel drive, and obviously we have had lots of rain in the UK in the last few days, and while I've had it, I must admit it's been a bit skittish, to say the least. So what is this car like to live with? £100,000, well 105,775 to be exact. There's a lot more cars out there that you may go and get first before the M5 competition. However, this is a four-door, five-seater vehicle that you can put 5 adults in. You can go cross-border in it without any issues. It's got enough horsepower. It's got more than enough. In fact, for the UK roads, it's got too much, because you can't put the power down. Before you know it, you're doing 80, 90, 100, and all of a sudden you've lost your license. Bye-bye M5, bye-bye driving. I'll tell you something, I actually thought that I might. I've still got time. it drives well. It's not the most comfortable car. Most of my UK viewers and anyone that's travelled to the UK will know the roads in the UK aren't the best, and it is uncomfortable. It is a bit bumpy. 20-inch wheels aren't the worst, but you know, right now I've got the massage function on, the seats are nice and comfortable, and I'm just making sure I don't hit any of the potholes. I was down in West Sussex yesterday, and on that drive down, some of the country roads were awful. They were absolutely awful. It's a BMW. It's exactly as you expect it to be from inside. High quality, the leather's great, the infotainment system works, the Bluetooth works, you know, everything sits fantastically. Oh, that piano black trim is a no-cost option as well. Forgot about that. You know, it works, but I don't know why on earth we need this much horsepower in the UK. It's just bonkers. We don't need it, and I'll be blasted for that because I'm a petrolhead. I've always had fast cars, but it's got to the stage now where in the UK the roads are getting slower and slower. The motorways are all smart motorways, which are pointless, are useless, or a hazard. But anyway, that's not for me to say. This car's bonkers. This is a car I would love to take from the UK across to Germany at some point. Fuel economy, if anyone's interested, I've had maximum 21. That was on the M25 doing 50 miles an hour, sorry. Otherwise I'm hovering between anything between 15 and 19 around town, which is still quite good. But my biggest problem with this car, noise. There's a button here that says sports exhaust, and it's on. Can't hear anything. I don't know what you can hear outside, but certainly from my perspective inside, can't hear anything. Can't hear that grumble like you do in an AMG. You know, when you get certainly like a C63, a GLC 63, you know, you just don't hear anything, and it's like, well, okay, what have I got? It could be in a standard 540i, 530i. There's nothing there. You need it to have something. You need it to have some sort of grumble in the car, not just when the car restarts itself after the start-stop is activated. Listen, there's a few bits in the car which I love. The red start-stop button, turning the engine on. You got the M1, M2, which are nice on the steering wheel. My side seats are great. You know, but come on, this is an M5. It should be a little bit noisier when you hit that exhaust button. You know, we shouldn't be hearing nothing until, you know, you start ragging the crap out of it. Good car. Unfortunately, not for me. Sorry. Big puddle. That's why it's too quick for the UK roads. Absolutely bonkers quick. Ooh. Right, little turbo. I want to thank Partridge BMW for arranging this demo. There's more to come from them and others, guys, so keep an eye on the channel. I've got an interesting SUV coming. I've got a very interesting electric car, a couple of electric cars coming, and much more. I think an M3 is due at some point. There's a few others that I'm talking to with BMW, there's a few I'm talking to with Mercedes. So more videos to come. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Let me know what you think of this video in the comment section below. As always, guys, I'm always in the comments. If I've got something wrong, well, shit happens, but I'm sure someone will correct me. But thanks for watching, as always, and see you soon. Bye for now.